I once looked outside, but I did not see the sky. Broken wings like mine, there was a bird that could not fly. I used to think not caring was a superpower. I was wrong. Hoping to offer warmth where the world had grown cold, I prepared a comfortable nest. For a moment, kindness felt like it could heal the broken. So I ran through the grass, a box cradled in my hands. I wasn't helpless. Not really. The bird reminded me of something simple. Maybe we're here to lift others up, even when we can't see the sky ourselves. That's the thing, isn't it? Caring for others doesn't stop the falling, but it makes the landing softer. For them, and perhaps even for us.